frequently observe children becoming disengaged when confronted with uninspired or overly complex craft instructions without visual support. The DIY, Fun Activities and Crafts application offers a direct, stimulating, and remarkably fun pathway to absolute mastery of various craft techniques. It features a progressive project system that adapts to a child's skill level, ensuring that challenges remain appropriate and motivating, never overwhelming or overly simplistic. The app's clear photographic steps and responsive interaction contribute to an effortless and highly productive creative session. While the current reward system with completed projects is effective, the addition of small, unlockable material packs for virtual crafts could provide a delightful extra incentive. This application unquestionably serves as an essential aid for anyone eager to build a strong foundation in practical arts. Parents should always monitor children's online activity to ensure a safe digital environment for learning. Discover for yourself how DIY fun activities and crafts might significantly enhance your child's artistic abilities.